Hi guys, Laura Hedgehog here. Just thought I'd challenge you guys to go for a walk. I know it's a hot one today, well it is here in Tennessee, but go for a walk. Get your body moving and you'll feel better. So I'm out here walking in the neighborhood, getting my heart rate up, getting my body moving, and I just thought I'd share this little challenge with you guys today. If you are on the weight loss challenge at Wild Family Farms, get your body moving. Get your body moving. Let's encourage each other to grow. If you're having a down day, listen to some music. Get your body moving. Enjoy the great outdoors. Enjoy the beautiful days while they're still here. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye.